button.
Okay, hello, welcome back. Here's your tech informant. Happy to have you here. So today I'm going to talk about the 100k silver play button from YouTube. So something happened last week and I thought I should share this information with creators in this community. And that every creator on YouTube always your goal or one of your dreams or some of your dreams are to get your channel, your content monetized, and also get these play buttons from YouTube. So unfortunately, some channels won't be able to get this play button even after crossing the required milestone. That is for the silver play button, you should get up to 100k subscribers before you'll be eligible to get this. But unfortunately, some channels won't get that. So that's what I'm going to share in this video. Why would someone cross over 100k play button, 100k subscriber on his channel and still not get this play button? Now, something happened, like I said, something happened last week. A creator reached out to me during one of my live streams. She shared her experience that she has over 125,000 subscribers on her channel, and yet she hasn't gotten this play button, or YouTube hasn't notified her to get this play button for her channel. So after some 1 or 2 interaction and going through her channel, so we discovered that she, even with over 100,000 subscribers, she's not eligible to get this play button. So before I continue, let me drop this somewhere, because I believe that sometime in the future, very soon, I'll be able to have my own with me. This is not for this channel, this is for another channel, and I believe that very soon the one for this channel will arrive. But before then, let this be a placeholder for the upcoming play button. It's okay. I think this place is okay. So let me know if that's a perfect place for the to be. That is my future play button. Let's check out this channel and see how the channel is faring. On this channel, you can see that she has already gotten over 125,000 subscribers, and the channel is doing very well. In the past 28 days, she has already gotten 12,000 subscribers in the past 28 days, and currently in the past 28 days, she has already gotten 2.2 million views. And definitely, we should know that this channel is a short content-based channel. Now, here we can see that currently the channel has an active community guideline strike. Would this be the reason why she hasn't gotten a play button? We'll find out. Before you can get this play button, YouTube will send you a code. They will notify you via email and also on your studio to let you know that you are eligible to get this silver play button. That is if you have crossed the 100k subscriber count. After that, so you go to that link to the website and then submit the code, and then they will verify it. Then you can now apply. You fill the form and all that, and they will send it to you via UPS. I think they send it through UPS all the way from their headquarters. And again, they don't charge. You don't pay for the plaque. The plaque is free. But if you want extra one, maybe you have a team that is working in your channel, you can pay for the extra one. I think it's about $150 or so for one play button. So you can request for that, and then they will send it to you. So now, one of the things that will make you not, even after crossing 100k, is this: if your channel has not been uploading for the past 6 months, you won't be eligible. Another one here is that you don't have an active community guideline violation and hasn't received any in the past 365 days. So this is what happened to this channel. This channel currently has an active community strike, which means that she won't be able to get her play button until this strike disappears or goes off. But even at that, from what we have in our studio, this strike will expire on the 10th of January. So, but that doesn't mean that after 10 January she can apply for it or she's eligible to apply for it. No. Like according to the YouTube policy or the guideline, it says that haven't received any in the past 365 days. So, which means that for her to be eligible to apply for this play button, she will wait, or the channel will wait till October 2026. That will make it like the full 365 days. So after the community strike, she will have to wait, and if she gets another strike before that time, the date will extend. So that's one of the reasons why a channel could cross the 100k subscriber count on their channel but won't be eligible to get their play button. Then other ones includes being compliant with the YouTube terms of service. We all know that you haven't been rejected or suspended from the YouTube partner program. So if you are already into the YouTube partner program and you've been suspended or rejected, or your channel was rejected, then you'll be eligible, for this play button. Then you might be asking, so if my channel hasn't monetized at all and I cross the 100k subscriber count, won't I be eligible for that? We'll find out much later. So also, your channel isn't terminated or linked to an account that has been terminated. So if your channel has been terminated, definitely you won't be able to get it. And also, if your channel is linked to an account that has been terminated, then you won't be eligible to this play button. And you need to wait for YouTube to send you an invite for you to apply for it. You get the point. So if you're not eligible, YouTube won't send you an invite or send you an email. Then the next one is you don't have content that is deceptive, spammy, or a scam. So if your content are not deceptive, spammy, or a scam, then you know what they mean. At least if you've gone through the YouTube policy, you understand what spamming and deceptive content, what it means. Your main content is original. Channel that focuses on compilations, mixes, curations, or heavy use of someone else's copyrighted content or characters may be ineligible. If you're into compilation and using other people's content heavily on your channel, you stand a chance not to get a play button after crossing the 100k threshold. And some other things we need to know here again is this, like the first thing we talked about earlier. We don't have to be a member of the YouTube partner program to be eligible for an award. Creator awards are given at YouTube's discretion. Each channel is carefully reviewed to make sure the criteria is met. If you have not gotten your channel monetized, or if you have not crossed the threshold, you can still, there's every possibility that you can still get the play button if you cross the 100k subscriber threshold. And just like they said here, all this is based on YouTube's discretion. So if they feel that you deserve it, they will invite you to apply. If they feel that you don't deserve it, they will hold your thing. And finally, Creators Awards are for personal use only and may not be sold or distributed to anyone outside of your channel team members. If you violate this policy, you may be subjected to disciplinary action. Disciplinary actions can include forfeiture of the awards, ineligibility for future awards, possible termination of your YouTube or Google account. So these are, the guidelines that surround getting this play button. So if you aspire, or if you are, planning to get this, you need to be on YouTube Good Books. So let me know your thought about this. And before we go, let me bring back that plaque. So I believe a good number of us in this community will get this play button in the new year. So don't give up hope, and I believe I'll be one of them, because I know I'm half the race. So I'm on the second phase, and I believe by God's grace I will get this, and so will be yours. And finally, before I go, yes, it's a good thing to to get subscribers and all that, but you need to understand that every metrics on this platform has their purpose and has their reasons. And what you need to focus more on is creating valuable content, quality and valuable content. And I know it's not easy, at this time. I'm making this video around the end of 2025 and moving forward 2026, just like what I've been saying in the past few days and weeks. AI is taking over, whether you like it or not, whether it's not your thing or not. If you want to be a creator, if you want to use the internet to build whatever thing you plan or aspire to be, then you don't need to overlook the power or the tools, the AI tools that are at your disposal. So this is my best from you, and I believe that this will be a motivation to some of us. So if you have crossed 50,000 subscribers, double your effort so that you can catch up with this in the new year. And if you're still like under 1,000 subscribers, know that every milestone, 1,000 subscribers, 5,000, 10,000, 20,000, 25,000, 50,000, these are major breakthrough. And what you need to understand is that for people to subscribe to your channel means that it's like a validation that you are doing well on your channel, not minding whether you have 200 subscribers, 500 subscribers. It's just like a validation that, yeah, we are with you. And just imagine having 500 people in a room and you're talking to them and they're listening. It's a big deal. So don't underestimate the level you are right now. So give this video a thumbs up if it was helpful, and if you're not yet subscribed, hit the subscribe button so that you won't miss helpful videos like this from this channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in my next video.